Now, VDM said that he's coming to Aba to promote people who make Aba local shoe. Nobody will ever sell your elder brother and build a mansion for you with the money. Nobody will betray your parents and love you. It's a lie. So VDM will come to Aba, promote businesses in Aba. All of you junkies will still come out to praise him. VDM will not buy anything from you. VDM will never buy anything from you. For no one will that their state can just go around here. VDM my baby here. Just underline, take cognizance of this. The moment he noticed that many of us were angry, he started talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He started talking about Nnamdi Kanu. Even on that video, he insulted Nnamdi Kanu directly. Nnamdi Kanu told one, and I got what in that place. You did not see fault in that thing. You Igbos today that sees VDM as your Lord and personal Savior. When Chukwuka was busy insulting your ancestors, that your forefathers robbed banks in Benin, did you say anything? Did you say anything? Did you confront Chukwuka? Did you ever say anything to Jene? But he made that video and he went scot-free. Only few of us challenged him. Igbo, the easiest people to manipulate on the surface of planet Earth. You have wisdom, you can use your sense and make money in business. Who are they betraying? Who are they selling? Who are those that will sell off their dignity and whom they are? Is it not the Igbos? You always look for a place where they get Bidaka. The moment Nnamdi Kanu was held and he's no longer free, the next person you recruited Ebukobi. Now you are tired of that side. You are recruiting VDM. You think you'll be saved? You think you'll be saved? You think that will save you? Now somebody will tell me to use my platform and talk about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Salam alaikum. That's very good. On the protest in Abuja, did you go? Did you even make a post? Did you even protest online? Did you go? Onyeka say he hates me. Okay, oh yeah, let me hate you back. You hate me and you are here. Don't Babu go to that place. If you not wanting to carry your parents now, yeah, get out. If you like, support VDM from now till next year. From now till next year. I still have my voice on the social space here. Who is on the loose side? It is you. Only Igbo na amari ihe. Can VDM say something about Eco Shop on Lagos? The answer is no. At the latter end, to show you how tribalistic he is, tell him to war one person from Edo State. Tell him to speak out against one person from Edo State. There are people in Edo State he could have talked about. Why is he not talking anything? When he talked about the phone, bringing the phone he wants to sell, I'm not against that. Do your business, my man. You are just learning business now. You want to start now. He said that he wants to offload it in Asaba so that he can capture the East. Leno Koko, with how many pieces of phones? How many pieces of phones? Your target is how you can discredit the business of Igbos. If you didn't talk about this, I won't talk about you. I don't even get, this is my first time of talking about VDM. It is since 1 week today. I have never talked about that guy. Whether he exists, I don't care. That's a lazy man, a dirty person, who only saw a brand new car the day he started deceiving you. That was the day he had access to standard life. Without social media, who him be? Without this social media, when you see married women supporting him, go and check. Those are women who control their husbands. Those are women who cannot allow their husband to say a word. See, let me explain something to you now. Okay, let's keep VDM apart. I want you to monitor this thing I am telling you now. Keep VDM aside now. Keep your anger now one side. I want you to pick something from here. There are people who does helping hands online, right? What I mean by helping hands is they will tell you to contribute money, that they want to help somebody. You will pay money into the account. They will now go and make video and show you where they are giving that person that money on camera to make you trust them and to make new people to believe in them. They will go and look for people with critical conditions. They will show them on camera, use them to raise money. They will go and give them money. I want you to ask yourself, as a wise person, what does this person do for a living? That's the question. What do they do for a living? Tomorrow they will come out and claim big boy. Lord Keneko. Ask yourself this question. What does these people do for a living? Sometimes you see them with a brand new Hilos. They will be driving. They will be telling you, philanthropists, they are good, they are this and that. What do they do for a living? That is one question you've not asked. The day you will have personal encounter with these people, you will shed tears. My concern is, how on earth will a video of 5 minutes rule your life? So after making these videos online, or possibly if I come online and sing and say glory be to you, the Shanamite of glory, and I go inside, do you know what I do? Do you know the extra things I do? Just a video of 5-10 minutes will start controlling your brain. That is what will make you believe and qualify God as a good man. Do you know you are sick? Just this evening, I had a call conversation with somebody, a fellow blogger, defrauded this guy of millions of naira. Until the day you become a victim, that's the day you will learn. You think anybody you see on social media cares about you? You think truly that bloggers, content creators, including VDM, you think they care about you? Do you know what happened? To show you how manipulative this guy is. The moment he saw that the Igbos were angry, he went and brought out a video. Now, the question you have failed to ask yourself is, was that video he posted day before yesterday? Was that video recorded yesterday? Was that video recorded day before yesterday? That is a means to manipulate you. Ask yourself, before these people came online, what were they doing for a living? To show you how wicked these guys are. Okachanjon Ali Igbo, the worst ones of the worst amongst them, you have them in Igbo land, and you, their victim, will never know. Let me shock you. You know, many of you does all of these things because of giveaway, because of what you will get. But guess what? I will always say the truth, because one day you become their victim, and any day you become their victim, that is the day you turn around to become my student. Comment from Nati tomorrow. You are still the idiot, and I don't care. That's one funny thing with me. Even your papa no rich. Now let me ask you this thing. Do you know why? Take for example in Imo State, when these unknown gunmen were disturbing, only few of us, including this same Chukwuka, few of us were the ones talking. We got angry and we started talking, speaking up. Do you know why content creators from Southeast could not say anything? Do you know why bloggers could not say anything? They don't want, if you invite them for a program somewhere, they will be afraid of going to that place. Are you getting what I'm saying? They kept mute because they want to have access to every road. Therefore, even if they kidnap you today and buy you, these people don't have your time. Their interest is hallelujah. You get what I'm saying? All these idiots who say that they are rattle president that you cannot convert to vote, ask them if they have PVC. You will be a rattle member. Tinubu will be your president. Wike will still be regulating Abuja. You will not get say. None of you have sense. Anywhere they put crusade, you will go. Any native doctor, you will visit him. The major problem is not native doctor. The major problem is not devil. The major problem is your sense that is not activated. Your brain has been swallowed. Africa will never grow in knowledge. The next 100 years with this generation, Africa will never. All these idiots, all these Igbo idiots, no now support to VDM. Give me support to Thomas Nnamdi Kanu. Why didn't you use that same strength to support Thomas Nnamdi Kanu? Protest here for his release. On social media, what has stopped you? Go to all of us now, convert this strength now. Use this strength now. Go to the page of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. On the October 1st, did you hear his speech? Made a speech and quoted Nnamdi Kanu and even IPOB. Did you go to his page to ever comment and tell him, Mr. President, this is wrong? Were you able to do that? You could not do it because you are afraid. You know he's the president. If you are supporting VDM, you don't have PVC. VDM will cash out. If not that China Rose, he had issues with China Rose, would you have known that he was paid $15,000? That is how one day his snatch will open against over Mr. President's table. You will hear it. You want Peter Obi to become the president of Nigeria? With this your mentality as only Igbo? It will not work. It will never work. Because no matter how populated you are, the Igbos can never convert their strength to vote or to the polling unit. That is the most difficult thing on earth. They will never. Use and dump. In 2027, they will betray you. They will sell you. You will not do anything. You will still go back again and say, that happened, that happened. That happened on your time. Igbo. It is not. Go and study some things before you talk. Before I begin, all the fear only in Nigeria. It is not a joke. Because the mentality of only Igbo will stop him. Betrayers. The other day, I quoted on my live video, I said that the only time an Igbo man became Senate president, how many Igbos impeached him, sponsored and he was impeached? 4 Igbo became Senate president at the time. It is in your DNA to betray yourself. Even that same VDM does not trust you, will never trust you. Ndara. Mad people. Oga Abi Aba. I thought Nunu was a sense. He will come to Aba, deceive Wokunu again. Do you know that day that they did protest for fish magnets? Do you know that Harrison Gwamnishu, even Harrison will be surprised how I managed to know this thing. Do you know that this same VDM could not allow Harrison Gwamnishu to climb the podium? They were telling him, this is Harrison Gwamnishu. Give him audience for where? He later had issues with some people before he allowed Harrison Gwamnishu. He only came there to exercise or recreate his popularity. That is his target, nothing more. Nothing more. I want you to go and check the page of Harrison, the page of these people. I want you to go. Somebody said I should go and find work. Nonsense man, go and find work. Your papa, your father. If your father is looking for a job, tell your father to come to my house. I'll give him security job and I'll pay him 100,000. Your own biological father. I need his age for cleaning. Your biological father, yes. All the days he has worked. And we go on a salary 100,000. Because if he had collected salary of 100,000 naira, you wouldn't have been stupid. The man can't go to school, then you would have become a human being. So let's say, for example, I want to show you something now. Let's do this. Indeed, we want a sense. All of you, Nigerians, all of you have sense. So let's do this now. Hold on, let's do something. Experiment, physical experiment here. Igbo. Is it not one of you who betrayed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Is it not one of your uncles? Igbo. Hold on, let me show you something. So, let's go to the page of Very Dark Man. Let's go to the page of Very Dark Man. I want to show you something. His life now. He has gone live because Oduka Mada are live and I can Ebuka Shiazu. So now let's look at this. This is his page. Now he has 3,700,000 followers. Follow me. 3,700,000 followers. Go and check his page. How many persons is he following? 0. This is the first way you dictate. See, look at this is the first way you dictate a stingy and a greedy man. Do you know what many of them do? Many of them will never follow anybody. So amongst all of you rattles, this guy could not follow anybody. Not even a copy. I don't want to record them now or copy or copy. So this guy could not follow any of you. All of you alone. And when you can bring the active again. Now, look at this. Let me show you another thing. Hold on. I want to open something. So, all of you, out of 3,700,000 of you, rats. So this guy could not follow even 2. So none of you rats, no rat amongst you is qualified to be followed. Self-centered human being. Now, this is my page. This is Governor Eziokwu's page. I have 129,000 followers. And I am following 41 persons. All of you, none of you is worthy for this guy to click the follow button. If he follows you, he will not lose anything. Even if he follows you now, he will not lose anything. Just after all these things, go back and analyze it. You will see the level of your mumuship. Now, I am following 41 persons. Wait, let the network open. I will show you the likes of people I follow. And I learn and I read from them. I just wanted to see something. Now, the first person I follow here is Law Palo. Law Palo. Okay? Law Palo, I follow him. I follow Ajebu. No, Achugo. Chibike. I follow him. AIT Sahara Reporters. Adeze Nwadike. She is an English teacher online here. Now, to everybody you see me follow, there is a reason for that. Of course, I follow my governor. Governor Hope Uzodinma. I follow him. I follow Atiku Abubakar. I follow His Excellency Governor P2B. I follow Professor Charles Oludo. I follow Randy. That is Peter for Niger. Alright, I follow him. I follow Masnachi TV. I follow Wanyiza. I follow Funny Tonton. I follow Zion Prayer Outreach. I follow Wagataya. I follow Altar of Grace. I follow JPA Chief of Staff. I follow Emi Energy. I follow Oyeka Ministries page. I follow him. I follow my cousin Isi Pamba. I follow Mandela Ndopal. I follow Wagaji. I follow Dele Farotimi. I read this man every blessed day. So far and so on. Of course, I follow the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I follow him. I follow the Shanamite family. I follow Matthias Ezako. I follow Anyi Dons. I follow Harrison Gwamnishu. I follow Hamadi KTV. I follow Reverend Dr. Mopai. I follow Pastor David Ibi. There are many people I follow here. I read them daily. I follow Professor Udoka. Maybe you don't know him. He's a good teacher. I follow him. Of course, I follow the governor of Rivers State. The past and present, I follow all of them. So this yoga could not follow one person. This yoga did not find any of you worthy. Which means this guy can never take advice from anybody and does not care to read any of you. You are an idiot. So all your birthdays, all the rat tail, all of you are all okay. So all the rat tail, all the okay members, none of you, your birthdays could not be posted by this guy. So he could not celebrate even your own mama. Then why are you dying for nothing? Why are you being stupid? So all of you, your businesses, this guy cannot lift your business and better your life for once. Why? Why? So you are a furniture maker, and this guy could not surprise any of you. So this guy cannot surprise any of you. So this guy cannot travel from where he is, monitor one of you, storm your business place, lift your product and make you a billionaire, make you a millionaire immediately. So VDM cannot do this thing for you. If I sit a black man down and ask them why they failed the exam, they don't even know. They don't even know. The CGP of your knowledge can only increase when you pay attentive ears, or you pay attention to a sensible words. So Mr. John Pam, you that just commented, what kind of business do you do? What stops me if I say you are my own person? There's somebody that they call ambition. Martin, many of them are my fans. So what I can do for you is just to keep you at the comment section to be fighting for me. When you will write from morning till night, for even them to even share your post, even you that is a blogger, for them to even share your videos, even when you speak in their behalf, just share that video. They will not share it. You know why? They don't want you to grow. They don't want to. Can go there was small.
I sang this song.
I have somebody. I love the young man. I respect him on social media because of what he does. So one day I woke up passionately. I wrote something about him. I made a post encouraging him. He didn't share it. Barely 30 minutes later, he didn't even reply. He only clicked like and left. 30 minutes later, I went and checked his page. Somebody wrote one joke about him, just telling him go and marry. He shared the post. So I quickly ran to the person's page and checked the capacity of the person. Brothers, the person is a car dealer. So you that wrote passionately, you don't want celebrating, but a car dealer is worth celebrating. Do you know why? So that when they want to buy a car of 50 million naira, if they have 30, the person can release the car to them on credit. They have no need celebrating you. They got no need celebrating you. You are just as useless as a dog before these people. That's whom they are. The day before you will learn this thing, it will be at your gray hair age. Do you know why? Do you know why? Bloggers and content, if you like, a great page. War for me, war for VDM, war for anybody you like. When you say, do I think VDM will notice me? He has watched my videos. He watches my video. What are you about? The only person that is confused is you. So the more you create page and the more you think you are, I'm a rattle member, I'm a rat member, rat tail. Call it properly, rat tail, odo pussy. Or odo, okay. This one, I see VDM is the savior of Igbo. Oh, no longer man as in Nandikana. our people for you. If you like, great page, do everything. No matter, there are people that has been supporting this young man. Why has he not followed you? They only use you as a bench woman. That's whom you are. Do you know that many of these women, that's why I blocked one idiot amongst them a few days ago. Yes, I did. I blocked many of them. And the last one I blocked, one mama something. Do you know why I blocked her? She said she's Mama Ratel. Do you know why I blocked her? This woman, I have noticed her. During the time of Matthias Eziokwu, she will be on the page of Matthias supporting Matthias. Not because she truly loves Matthias. She's doing it because she wants to grow page. That's her target. This is whom they are. Why will you on this earth, if truly you are busy, you have something, you have a business you are doing, something legit, so or go to some extent, only you go support the Zika after to business one year. Betrayers. Let's go this round. Come John. Just to make everything smooth now, I will go on this. I will go off from this live broadcast. May God give you a child who will have this Ikenshi character, who will have this mindset, who will be very proud. Ikuni abu homo, ikuni ana po nwoke bia n'ike. Chineke nyego funwa di otaho because ne support ya. To everything you support, let it return back unto you. Chukuna nyegi just one like that. Yes, you tare naha Jesus. Say no amen. Type amen at the comment section. May God give you a child with the secret character of VDM. Type amen at the comment section. God will go teach you, John. Imato small. Has said, you are jobless. You are hungry. While their papa, the strength at which you are using to defend somebody, somebody who is busy managing your own or manipulating your brain, the strength TJ defending the person. Even your parents back home, you have never deposited such strength in defense of your parents. Oh yeah, John, Pam, before I block you, go back to school. You are an illiterate. You are the worst illiterate from your lineage. You say, see how you gather veins. They shout. See, go and write C. S-double-C. That's C. C in Kele. You are even an illiterate and you come and get that from here. You. This is not the class of mechanics. Okay, that idiot. Okay, come here, you. For comment here again and block. Okay, get that idiot. School you no go, sense you no get. Olodo na your own. They here for where. If you want to even tell me something, write very well now so that I will be seeing what you are writing. Oh yeah, come and get out from here. Tagarano me that John Pam achogamia. The thing abapula. Taporano that idiot na can block here from here. Thunder babu obage there. Your father Diego Kwesi Jesus working at school now. Okay, na bagare na inside the city. Thank God all our village ele kamoto hari pobuya. Oh yeah, get out. Okay. Check a Facebook review there. Come block again na onyara. Oh yeah, get out. Idiots. Just go to the law and money here. You got a lot. Maintain one, you ship them for we are everything in a shower house. How do you think you have sense? So I come and get that from here. You. No wonder they named you John. Why will you get the name John? At this age, Igbos should stop naming their children John. Type a name. May God give you a child who will live the secret life of VDM. Let me shock you again. These are things you need to verify. You see all these guys, they are busy fixing their relatives. They are busy fixing their family members. Even some of their family members who smoke drugs, they are busy fixing them. They are busy giving them lives to live. They don't really care about you before God and man. It will interest you to know that some of these guys, they have good houses. They no go show you like normal content creators who see those also who you think they are activists, or those ones who drop account and tell you to be paying in money. It is the person's account number, pay money to that account. If they tell you what happens behind the scene, you will run mad. What I'm telling you is what you don't even imagine. I have one of our brothers who is a philanthropist. He's owing somebody 40 million naira. If I say this thing on social media and brings evidence, even the Igbos will fight me. They will say it's a lie. There's another person he's owing. He defrauded 3.something million naira. There is another person. Many complain 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million naira, 10, 15, everywhere. Do you know why I cannot say anything about that now? Do you know why? The Igbos will never, before God Almighty, the Igbos will never believe. The Igbos will fight you. They will tell you that that money, that that you have gone to fabricate stories. That is the Igbos for you. Make the Igbo man to trust you. Defraud his brother. He will support you against his brother. What I'm telling you is nothing but the gospel truth. Hold on. The only day the things I say here will become truth to you is any day you become a victim. There is another young man who called me. Hold on. There's another young man who lost about 30 million naira to one of our Imo State sister who defrauded him about 30 million. The guy called me this evening. He lives overseas. I think he's a pastor or something. I'm trying to see if I can call him. The person who defrauded him this morning is a public figure. This person moves about with escorts in this country before God and man. This matter has been treated before the Abuja Police Command, the authorities in Abuja. You know, this lady went home scot-free after defrauding a young man about 30-something million naira. The guy, just hold on. These are not stories. These are realities. Who on earth will speak for these people? You know what? You know that, look at what is going on social media. Once my voice is higher than your own, once I make sure I earn people's trust. Like if I woke up tomorrow morning and share 1 million naira, and next week I share 1 million naira. If you go on social media and complain against me, people will not believe you. Once they come back, all I need to do is to ignore that person talking. I will still be busy doing all those eye service philanthropist work. If I go about hospitals, I will pay monies for people and pray for people while defrauding others under the carpet. Do you know that Nigerians will support me? Listen. You see all these people that are wise now. See all these people that are wiser now. They are wiser now because Governor Eziokwu is talking. That is what made them to be wise. They are now in support of their preferred lover, VDM. Okay. In 2027, check if you will see the reflection of this massive foolishness. Check if you will see it reflect at the ballots. Hello, sir. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes,
sir.
So,
yes, sir.
He sent the evidence.
I've sent everything, sir.
Okay, Ego na kisi the lady Gurugi na waye.
Sir?
Ego na kisi the money total.
About 30 million in total.
Okay, and the lady lives here in Port Harcourt.
Yes, she lives there in Port Harcourt, but I think she has their family origin from somewhere around Owerri.
From Owerri. Okay.
Yes.
And this matter has gone to Abuja before, right?
Yes, by the petition, you can see the petition I wrote there.
Okay.
That matter went to Abuja. But the way they handle the case there, it's as though the way she has been proud about it, that she told us, she even told me, say, don't waste your time trying to involve police about it. They will not give you anything. You only spend more money. And that money, you will not get it back. You only spending more money to this one. Just go and move on with your life. I'm telling you. And she, it works. Me, I was even shocked. Then she even said that the only way you can get your money from me is jungle justice. We have people that can do jungle justice. That will be the only thing that will force me to give you your money.
And she moves about with SUV and security, right?
Yes, that time with police escorts. And yes, she's moving about with that. That's why she normally move around that time.
Okay, I'll call you back. I'll get back to you. Did you guys hear this? Did you hear this? This is what is going on. These people, they will even, if you see how corny they are, they have police contacts. They have contacts. See, okay, a lot of things are going on. Oh. A lot of things are going on. I said I have witnessed more than 10 persons who traveled far. They came to me, brought receipt of land. They didn't see the land. They've not seen the land till today. More than 10 persons, they've come to me. Any day you become their victim, that is the day you will learn. When somebody said they will unfollow me, say I never knew you are jealous of VDM. Evil Tribalism. Oya, Chukwu, Ike, Oya, get out from here. Ali Igbo kubuo kwage. Ebutakwa ozugi. Come and get away from here. You onyara. You refuse to have sense. I don't know. See, everything you do today, let me tell you how this life is. Everything you support, you later see your children playing this kind of lifestyle. And they will play it worst. More in the negative aspects. More than the way you've ever done. This is nothing but the gospel. This is the way life is. Eziokwu na abande mmadụ agbanante. People actually know. If you know what people are passing through, if you know what people are passing through, listen. Let me say this again. The worst mistake you can ever do is, in this life, if you will ever trust or love anybody you meet on social media because of a video of 5-10 minutes or even an hour, if you ever trust anybody, if you love anybody because the person But do you know that before people make video online, they drink water, they stay calm, they plan, think of what to say, and when they say it at that point, it will look as if intelligence beckons beside their bed. It is not so. Many of them, just those around them, were able. How many of them will stand the test of a live broadcast like this, and you begin to put up questions to them and they'll answer? If your role model is a man who drops 5 minutes video every day on social media, then you are finished. Oya, Chinaza, Samuel, Oya, Otiro, you used to love me before. Thunder babu okwage because na agora ga Eziokwu. Egbeligwe babu okwage that place. Nwokwa nwike. Okpukugbu okwage, come and get away from here, you. Block direct. I've done Igbo egwuregwu with you. I didn't monetize this page. Or they don't monetize. I don't care. On was I go see them the gem de hiona. Talk with the wine, a corner bala, more hiona. You are the suffer head because you refuse to learn. All these people whom are claiming professionals now, you want liberation now. Oya, in their constituency, when they decide to remove their Federal House of Representative member, their senators, remove them in power and put right people, will you ever see them do anything? Government has more role to play in every society, more than what any individual can do. You will be making mistake if you believe in Governor Eziokwu more than the government. You will be losing it. Tell them now, Shebi they have capacity. Shebi VDM says he has capacity. Tell him to go and join a political party now in his own local government. In his own ward, then let him contest for any position. Only happen that because election has to do with the people that knows you too well. Any of your aggression, any of your anger that will never reflect to the ballot, then you're wasting time. Can I ask you something? Can I tell you this? Not even a question. Can I tell you this? Shebi is your right president. And you, all of you claims you love him, right? Can we test popularity by 2027? Can one of you, can very few of you gather money, raise some money, as usual, get him a presidential ticket? But even presidential ticket is an insult to Federal Republic of Nigeria. Get him formed for Federal House of Representatives. Only about third on election. Mgana third mainland bridge in Mukwo. If VDM comes third in his own constituency, if VDM comes third in any election, let us test acceptance now. Let's test capacity. See whether he's your rat and tail president. In 2027, the politicians will manipulate the results here to your own nose. You will not do anything. Funny enough, you don't even have PVC. Has he advised you while you were voting P2B? Did you see VDM advise you to go and vote Obi? What stops him from coming out? He will not do that because Obi is an Igbo man. And he does not want anybody to reign above him. I am not telling you that this is play. Guess what? To show you how dull and daft these youths are. You think they hate President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Eh? You think they hate him? Nigerian youth, you think they hate him? Whoa. See, brothers, everyone listening to me, these Nigerian youths, after they tell you, they will call you hungry. Their papa has no electoral value. All their uncles, all of them in their whole lineage, none of them has electoral value. They've never changed anybody's life in their entire life. And even those they support has never changed anything around them. Never. Now guess what? These same youth will sell their vote by 2027. The same way they will gather and tell you we are atheists. That is the number of many of them idiots that will gather in protest, in solidarity march for President Bola Ahmed Tinubu by 2027. If you can save this video, save it somewhere. It's not a good prayer. I'm not an APC man, and I will never join APC. But I'm telling you, with the mentality of this youth I see today, APC will take 99% of the states in Nigeria by 2027. Not through the right way. Do you know why every governor would decamp to APC? See, almost I said 99% of the governors will join APC. Do you know why? That's the only way they can be saved. If they stand in your trust, if any governor stand gidigbam, according to who they say gidigbam, if any governor stands to his feet and decide to defend the commoners will betray that governor. The only option is this: for that governor to join the APC. This is what will happen. In 2027, the only people that will decide that APC can never rig any state is the youth. Are the youth ready? No. Therefore, the calamity we are suffering today nationwide, this calamity will remain till the next 100 years. If all these generations will stay, if the whole youth you are seeing today, if they will stay alive till the next 100 years, that is the number of years that the country will remain in this jeopardy. Are you getting what I'm telling you? This is not a joke. You know why? The younger generations, they are seeing what we are doing. I'm telling you. Somebody just commented something here, and this is a very intelligent comment. The person said the Igbo miscreants are feeding and growing monsters that will swallow them. This is pure excellence. These fools does not understand that their hate, their personal hate on you has nothing to do with reality and wisdom. They don't know. They don't know that their hate over the truth you are telling them will never reduce the price of Gary. Can I shock you? By 2027, you'll be buying a kg of gas for 3,000 naira. Should we mark it somewhere? By 2027 ending, immediately after the elections, you are going to be buying petrol for about 1,007 per liter. You will do nothing. All of this Ekuke youth now will adjust to the system. This is what will happen. Do you know why? The international what do they call it? Tax law will be adopted by your leaders in this part of the world in order to clear their loans. So those loans, those money they have borrowed, who will pay it? It is you. You will be busy shouting VDM. Your pocket will be leaking dry. It comes to a point when even VDM, 30 of them cannot feed you. This is more than your height. This is more than your intelligence. We are not joking. After us, you will cry to have messiahs. A prophet is without honor, except in his own town. This is what will happen. You will see it happen. Can I shock you? Every of these fools, every of these imbeciles, little birds and flies who comes here to comment nonsense, can I ask you, how much is the allocation coming to your own states? Do you know the allocation coming into your own states? Do you know the allocation, the constituency allowance your Federal House of Representative members get? One day I stayed on this live video and I said that the Federal House of Representatives members, I mean, each and every one of them at some point went home with 1 billion naira. It was for your constituency. Did they tell you about it? The lights. You see how stupid you are. I'll block you once I finish responding to you now. You are an idiot, because even when I am teaching sense, you keep typing that you, God bless VDM. You are a bastard. Oh, one at the end of this age now, no good job. If I ask you what you do for a living, you tell me that you are a baker. You bake. In a bake, you bake that place. Oh yeah, come on, get away from here, you. Oh yeah, come on, get out. Atro. Baby. You check any ship the guinea with vibrator. Thunder babu that place. Come on, get away from here, you. It's a man again. It's just a part. He get this top walk in a go. It's just a pure water. He get this top walk in a go. One more life in maybe. I think the Adiana is so now a book when I go back. While your papa, your grandpapa, the men were bicycle. None of them could afford CD 195. Not talk of Bentley. At all. No sense it's him when one man for where the only asset you have in life is that Totolagiburi, but turn about will be that place. Fool. If you meet them in class those days, it's good. They'll be telling you, "Nah, do this for me. Nah, help me. Nah, give me this for nah." All of you are now intelligent. All of you are now celebrating that you're doing the right thing. Dara. Convert that your rascality. Convert it to the polling units. All your life, it is so unfortunate that you are wise, but somebody is governing you with school sat, not even school sat. Somebody is governing you with an affidavit and you think you have sense. So VDM is very wise and is from Edo State, and his governor could not even mention figures. And the guy is still not ashamed of himself. And you could not go there and vie for the position of governor. They cannot be a rat one day, you are governor of Imo State. Eziokwu, the Roma was a careless soti. Who are the people? The people that supervises rigging of election. Are they not the youths? Are they not members of these ratters? All of you are now ratters. When they ask you, say I'm a member of ratter, what has changed in your life? Expire now. You start running to your uncles. You start disturbing people up and down. They help but you're a member of ratter, and nothing has changed. My name is Governor Eziokwu. This is where I will leave it tonight. As for this impairments, I'm not backing down. I'll be available tomorrow. Good night.